Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, and as you can see, steaming hot, we're going to make spaghetti, spinach and cream sauce. We've got some garlic in there, some oregano. It is super easy, vegetarian and delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. I get a lot of emails about this. It doesn't make any difference what type of cream you use. Thick or thin is going to work out just the same. Spinach, cooked spinach, fresh spinach. You could use frozen if you want. Onion. I'm using some mozzarella today. Again, you could be using Parmesan if you wanted, or cheddar, some sort of cheese in there. The mozzarella kind of makes it nice and kind of stringy. Tablespoon of garlic. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Again, you could be using something different like a basil or thyme. You can change the direction you want to go in there. Just to let you know, these containers here, these glass ones, are 1 cup each, so you can roughly see the measurements. I'm going to be using spaghetti today. You can use any pasta you want, but get your pasta ready. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add a touch of salt and pepper. That's it. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. So I've got my wok here. You can be using a frying pan or whatever you want really. I've got some olive oil in there. I'm going to drop in our onion and our garlic. And I'm on a high heat. I've just put it on a high heat. And we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. And just to let you know, with my spinach, which was a fresh spinach that I cooked, I'll leave a link at the end on how to do this. I'm just going to roughly chop that up a little bit. See in about 3 or 4. Okay, as you can see, that's coming together really nicely. Now I'm going to drop in the spinach, like I say, just chop that up. And we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes, high heat, moving it all the time. Fabulous. Now really important to give it a nice fry, especially the spinach, on a high heat. Next up, we're going to go with a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and I'm going to drop in my dried oregano, or oregano as some of you call that. Okay, let's get our cream in. So this is like 250 ml of cream. And like I say, it makes no difference if you use a thin cream that we call a single, or a thick cream that we call double in the UK. Now I'm going to drop in some cheese. Again, I'm using mozzarella. You could be using Parmesan, you could be using cheddar. The mozzarella gives it a nice stringy kind of ness when it kind of melts down. I'm going to turn the heat down to medium now. Keep it moving continuously for 3 minutes and get your pasta ready. This looks incredible. It's going to taste amazing. You can see the stringiness of the mozzarella. Let's grab our pasta. Like I say, I'm using spaghetti. I'm going to grab another spoon, so I've got 2 spoons, medium heat. I'm going to go for about 3 minutes, folding this around, getting as much of the sauce as I can over the spaghetti, and I'll see you at the table. This is nearly done. It's wonderful. Okay, there you go, job done. Super easy, delightful, delicious, super fast spaghetti, cream and spinach. Hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, that helps us out a lot. Leave a comment, we do like to hear from you, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.